Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I've just done you a quick program here today, and all we do is count the empty folders in a path. So I've created a subroutine here called count folders, and I've created a scalar variable here called path where I've assigned it to my desktop path. So this is my desktop path, your desktop path will be different. Then I've done the command here chdr, which stands for change directory, and then the variable path, so we're going to change now into that directory. Now here I've created a variable called num folders and assigned it to 0, so that's what we're going to be using to count the folders. Now I've created a folders array here and assigned it to glob, so that will store all the folders in this array. And then what we do is we use the for each loop to loop through the folders, and we use this folder here to count the folders inside the array, and we use the conditional here if, and then this D here which stands for directory, and the folder here. So if when it loops through, if it comes across a directory or a folder, if it's a directory in a folder, if it matches that and the size of the folder is equal to 0, which means it's empty, then what we do is we add up the number of folders in this variable. So this stands for number of folders is equal to number of folders plus 1. So we add it up and we store it in this variable, the number of folders. And then when the program finishes, we print out number of folders and we print out the variable here, which will be storing the number of folders that's in this variable. And let's just give it a quick run, shall we? So let's have a look. So on my desktop, it says here, number of empty folders on my desktop here is 5. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.